Here we will prove another result with the help of symmetry. That is cos of pi minus theta equal to minus cos theta, sin of pi minus theta equal to sin theta. So for that one, take the unit circle. So on this unit circle, consider the two angles. One is theta and another one is pi minus theta. Now if the point this Px comma y is associated with the angle theta, and the point Q minus x comma y is associated with the angle pi minus theta. So here, if we write this P coordinates in parametric form, the P coordinates will be cos theta comma sin theta. The Q coordinates will be cos of pi minus theta comma sin of pi minus theta. So now if we observe the x coordinates of this P and Q, here x coordinate of P is x only, x coordinate of Q is minus x. So the relation between this x coordinates of P and Q is equal to minus of cos theta is equal to cos of pi minus theta. That is the first one. That is cos of pi minus theta is equals to minus cos theta. This is the first one. Next, if you see the relation between the y coordinates, both are equal. That's why sin of pi minus theta equal to sin theta. Therefore, sin of pi minus theta is equals to sin theta. So this is the proof. First one is cos pi minus theta equal to minus cos theta, sin pi minus theta equal to sin theta. This is the another example of application of symmetry.